Hello and welcome to King's Colonial Ford. Today we're looking at a 1997 Nissan pickup truck. It's a little two-door pickup truck with a moonroof, great body on it, not a smoker's vehicle. The seats are in great condition, drives really smooth, has a drop-in bed liner, has rain guards and slightly tinted windows, has manual windows and manual locks, and then kind of a tan cloth interior. The sitting seats are in great condition. Up here we have, that's because I have the emergency brake on. Currently 164,984 miles on the odometer. AC feels good. Heat works great as well. Pull-out section. The stereo does not work. 5-speed manual transmission. Very smooth clutch. Lots of storage in the glove compartment. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.